Alright guys, got it out. Yeah, this thing was done. As you can tell, it's all, this part right here is all straight. And goes there. Straight, crooked, and then it goes back to being crooked again. But yeah, as I was saying before, so I won't do it. But yeah, the internals are shot, and actually you can tell just from here. Here, I'll do this for you guys. Yeah, that thing is, I gotta replace the whole exhaust like I said before. If you look closely, yeah, that's all done. Before, like I said, before this hole, the internals, it's messed up. So, when I'm ready to put on a new exhaust, I will make a video on the installation. Unboxing first and then installation. So I'll keep you guys posted. Like, subscribe, and key up. You'll be up to date on everything. It's a beautiful, beautiful day outside. Yeah, this is a work in progress. If you guys want to see under, ugh. Yeah, that's got to be replaced too. The dummies that, I'm not going to mention their name, but they thought it was a good idea to cut this, the front of this, and weld it. They did a crappy behind job. That was very expensive, but yeah, I'm gonna replace the header and everything else. Yeah, that's the outcome. So, yep, I'll catch you guys later. Like, comment, and subscribe.